Hey guys, I'm showing you this stress relief desktop punching bag. It comes with a desk clamp and extra strong suction cap. So it's a fun thing to have on your desk, like in case if you are like, the bore or something, you can just use it. The good thing is that it comes with a suction cup and a clamp. So I will show both later on in this video. And then hopefully that will helps you. So you can see this is a suction cup attachment. So let's take it out and show the unboxing first. And this is a small pump that comes with it. So the knob is also inside the pump. I will show you. And this is the punching bag which we need to put in the air. This is the spring thing, which is a heavy duty. And this punching bag is also a durable PU leather and strong impact string. So this is all the unboxing thing, and just use this pump now. So you will see like this knob is on the top of this pump. So we can just take it out and put it in here and then pump the air inside that punching bag. So once this air is filled in, we can just put in and you can see like the quality and you can just put it on the top. So this is the suction cup that I put in all this punching bag first. So you can see like even after the punching, this suction cup is holding it well. You can also use the clamp. So I just put in the clamp on the corner. There is a nut bolt and you can put this string on the top of this nut bolt and you can adjust it accordingly. So there is the two-way here and now it's all set. Now you can use it with the clamp. So this is a nice, stress reliever with a punching bag on the desk and you can just use it the way you want with a good material, leather punching bag and supplied accessories. So it's pretty much fun for all people and have fun.